Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on here really quick and film a short little review on something I just bought, and it's the Sephora Favorites Sunkissed Glow Kit. And I wanted to film this like last week, but the shipment got like lost in the mail, and Sephora was kind enough to send another one, and it came in the middle of the week, so now I'm filming it on the weekend. So this little kit retails for $45 US and $54 Canadian, and it includes all these cute little minis and I think two full-size products. Part of the reason I got this is because I am going to be traveling this summer, and I figured like having all these minis would be so much easier to travel with than like full-size products. Plus it comes in this like adorable light yellow pouch, and it's like rubberized, which makes me feel like it would be good for like waterproof situations. So yeah, I haven't tried anything out yet, but I did peek inside because I just couldn't help myself. I was too excited. But yeah, I'm going to try everything out for the first time on camera. Let you guys know if I think it's worth it, how the products perform, what their price points are. Okay, so I just moved you guys a little bit closer so you can see the makeup on my face. I went ahead and did my base, concealer, foundation, primer. I just went backwards. But yeah, my base is ready to go. So the first item that I'm gonna use from the little kit is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and this is, I believe, oh yeah, it's the glowy one, so it's not the regular powder. So I just pulled up my laptop right here, and according to Beauty Deals BFF, if you don't know their Instagram, it's awesome. They post a bunch of sales and stuff like that, and this is actually the only product that they don't have a price for. And I went on the Sephora website, and the full one is $38, but it doesn't say the grams online, and I think that's the reason there's no price on Beauty Deals BFF. So this is 1 gram of product, and I don't know how much the full size is because I couldn't find it online. So it comes with a little sticker to cover the holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this stuff. I'm all about a good glow, so I think I'll like this product. So this actually has like shimmer in it. I wasn't expecting that in a setting powder. I also can't really get it out of this tiny little thing. Get some out on the back of my hand. Come out! Okay, here we go. Now that I've got it absolutely everywhere, I'm gonna put it on my face. I mean, it looks pretty on my skin, but it's kind of if I took like the world's weakest highlighter and used it as a setting powder. I mean, it's okay. It's fine. I feel like I'm applying it as a highlighter because that's kind of what it looks like. The next product that I'm going to talk about, I'm super excited for, and it is the tiny Fenty bronzer sample thing that came in it, and it is so pretty. Do you see that? It is so reflective. It's like a little sequins, which I'm pretty sure that's what she wanted it to look like. And by she, I mean Rihanna, obviously. So this is in the shade Shady Biz, and it's quite a light shade, and that is one problem with this kit, is that like it doesn't really cater to anything past like I'd say light to medium skin tone, which is a bummer. They should have made the ranges be like so you can pick light, medium, or deep, at least so you can pick from 3 options or something. But yeah, this is what the shade color looks like. I mean, it's not that light, but definitely too light for someone with like medium skin tone. It'll definitely work really well for my skin, and it's 45% of the full size, and this little size would retail for $13.63, and it is 2.8 grams. So I wanted to compare it to my favorite bronzer, which is the Hoola bronzer, and see how like the shades compare. Okay, on camera the Hoola bronzer looks way darker, but in real life this one only looks like a smidge lighter, but I think it looks darker because like the box is casting a shadow on it. This one also looks a tiny bit warmer, but then on camera this one looks warmer. Just trust what I'm saying and not what you're saying. Good advice. So I'm just gonna use this to bronze up my entire face. There's a hair in my brush. Actually, there's multiple hairs, but there's a hair that doesn't belong in my brush. Okay, here we go. I'm super excited to try this product. And I'm using it as a bronzer, not a contour. Wow, that's really pretty. That's really, really, really pretty. Okay, that shade is just so nice on my skin. It looks so natural, like such a natural tan. I put bronzer everywhere. Like literally everywhere. Yeah, I really like this. It blends out super easy too. I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but in real life, it is like gorgeous. Okay, the next item I want to talk about is the little Becca highlighter that comes in it, and it's in the color Vanilla Quartz, and it's just this like really pretty vanilla color. Wow, really, really good words. And this is actually 34% of the full size, and so this would retail for $12.92, and this is 2.4 grams of product. So I'm just going to put a little bit everywhere that highlighter goes. Okay, that's really soft and pretty. It's kind of like a candlelight glow, I guess you could say. Like it's not like super wet looking, but really pretty and natural. It's kind of like a stronger version of the setting powder, honestly. Like it's not that intense, but I kind of like that, especially for the summer. You don't want to be looking like too wet. But yeah, that looks really pretty on the skin. And again, it only came in one shade, and I feel like that color would definitely be too light for anyone that is slightly deeper than me, honestly. But yeah, really nice product. Becca always kills it with highlighters. Now we can move on to the eyes, and there are two eye products. So first there's the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon Champagne Diamonds for blue eyes. So not for my eyes, but it's this beautiful like champagne color. Let me swatch it a little bit. So the issue I have with this product is that you have to sharpen it with one of those jumbo sharpeners, which I don't own. Am I gonna have to buy like a sharpener just to sharpen this? Probably, because it's really pretty. Look at that. So this is a full-sized item, and it retails for, okay, so this whole stick retails for $27. Okay, sorry if the lighting or setup looks a little different. I had to get up really quickly. But as I was saying, the second eye product you get, and also the second full-size product you get, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And I think the product is called Seaglass, and then the color is Sweet Life, and like I said, this is full size. So this retails for $22. And how big are you? And this is 3.5 grams. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned, but the Charlotte Tilbury one is 1.6 grams. So I'm just gonna swatch the Tarte eye product right next to the Charlotte Tilbury one right there. And as you can see, that's like way more glittery than the Charlotte Tilbury one. But they're honestly kind of the same color. Like they're both like a rosy champagne color. Both very pretty. So I think, which one should I use? I think I'm going to use the Tarte one. It's just speaking to me a little bit more, and I feel like it'll show up on camera better. But before I do that, I'm going to toss some of the Fenty bronzer in my crease and then do my eyebrows. And then I'll come back to put this on my lid so you guys can see how it looks like. The packaging is also like really, really adorable. It's so sparkly. Okay, we're back. I didn't really do my brows. I just put brow gel in them to kind of fill in the gaps because I was lazy and I didn't want to use a brow pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto my lids directly from the little, you know. So this product reminds me a lot of the Stila glitter shadows. So if you're a big fan of those, I feel like you would really like this. It looks really, really similar to the one I own actually. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it dries down pretty fast. I love a good glitter shadow. Well, that looks super pretty and it was really easy to apply. I would say even easier than the Stila ones because like the glitter isn't as compact, if that makes sense. Like it's more like sparse, so you don't really have to blend it out as much because I don't like my glitter to be like a block of glitter. Like I like it like scattered across my eyelids, and I feel like it did that by itself. So I'm actually really, really impressed with this eye product. I thought this was gonna be one of my like lesser favorite items, but yeah, I love that. So now I'm gonna put on some mascara and I will be right back. I put on mascara and now I just want to quickly talk about the products that I didn't get to use in this video. And the ones that we have left are the Sephora. I have mascara all over my finger. Do you see that? Okay. So what we have left is the Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Lip Shine in the color Perfect Nude. So I'm just gonna apply this really quick since I'm not wearing anything on my lips. This smells really sweet. Okay, and it's just this really pretty nude shade. This is exactly what I expected it to be. Just a pretty gloss. It's not too sticky or anything. Actually, the smell is a little bit annoying. It's not really like, it's like fruity candy. I wish it was just like vanilla or something. This is exactly what I thought this was gonna be. Super basic, but like, who doesn't love a good basic lip gloss? And then finally, the last two items that I did not get to use on my face are actually two highlighters. So the first one is the Marc Jacobs Gel Dew Drops, and this is in the color Do You? I'm not asking, it has a question mark on the end of it. But this is 0.17 fluid ounces. So according to the Beauty Deals BFF site, this is about 21% of the full-size product and it costs $9.35. And I've actually always wanted to try these little dew drops. Let me swatch it on the back of my hand since I didn't get to put it on my face. So it's this really pretty champagne color. It's way more liquidy than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like of a cream. But there it is. Super, super pretty. Like, I'm really excited to use that on my face. And then the last thing that I want to talk about that came in this kit is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Conceited. This is 25% of the full size, so this retails for $6.75. So I'm gonna swatch this as well on my other hand, and it comes with the little sticker again that blocks the powder. I can't open it. Oh, it poofed everywhere. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Oh, I just got way too much. I'm gonna swatch it on my wrist. Do you see that? It's not picking up. It's really pretty, but it's like not pigmented. I don't know how to describe it. It's more just like loose shimmer, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's picking up at all on the camera. I think I'm gonna put a little on my cheeks to see if you guys can see it. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, I think you can see it. I feel like it would also be nice to use it like all over your body. Okay, so those are all the products that came in the little glow kit. Overall, I think all really great products. Really the only qualms I have with this kit is that they should have had like shade selections like I mentioned earlier, just because there are quite a few face products in this, and you know, face products don't work for everyone's skin tones. If you are thinking about picking this up, I highly recommend it. I was really impressed by everything. This is the only thing that bothers me, is just because they should have included the little sharpener with this, because now it's like a hassle. I have to go out and buy the sharpener just for this because I don't have a jumbo sharpener. Overall, really like it. Super excited to take these products abroad, overseas. We get it, you travel. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.